Hello everyone, Merry Christmas. I've just got back from a fantastic canvas Christmas camp which was put together by Rough Timber and the State Detective, which are Tim and Steve. And there were loads of other people there, JJ Outdoors, Primal, Nomad, and many more. I will put their names in the description, but at the moment I can't remember everyone's names. But yeah, fantastic weekend. I did a little bit of filming, but didn't want to make a full video of it. So what you're going to see after this is just a little taster of it. But yeah, just fantastic food, fantastic company, and just a brilliant camp to sort of finish off the camping outdoors year. I hope you enjoy.
Little donkey on the dusty road, carry Mary safely. Is it gently on her way? Ring out those bells tonight, Bethlehem, Bethlehem. Whoa! Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Okay, do you think we've got too many balls on this side?
Possible.
There's another pack of balls.
Someone's got a mallet. Yeah, I saw a wooden mallet. Why are you spitting up wood?
Come on, Mark.
Yeah, try them.
We're using Brussels sprouts from head because they are like turds. You don't like them.
What did I do wrong?
I don't know, I didn't see.
Everything. Yeah,
They're too big.
too big, mate. Of course. I've got
We
a
could just
small
throw
one.
them.
Oh, you've got big sprouts, JJ.
I'm looking for a green vegetable amongst
You're looking for your sprout, JJ.
It's gone, mate. It's gone.
A bit of work.
What a cabbage. What a cabbage.
Well, there you go. Just a little taster of it. Like I said, I just had an amazing time. I just laughed so much and ate such good food, and yeah, couldn't have wished for a better group of people to spend some time with. So that's me for 2025. I hope you all have a fantastic Christmas and a lovely New Year, and I look forward to seeing you all in 2026. Bye for now. Cheers.